What's up everybody, this is Roger, After School Site Coordinator for 21st Century After School Programs. I'm here to invite 1st to 12th grade students in Walla Walla Public Schools. We have an exciting summer project for you, Project Platypus. Project Platypus looks to make a movie mashup between 1st to 12th graders where you create content from home. We want you to create 3D models, sound effects, art, and original story content to be featured in the short film. We are looking to premiere the final video in early August on the district's social media platforms. You can sign up on wallawallaafterschool.com. Once registered, we'll provide you with the training, the tech, or any other necessary supplies to make this video awesome. Remember, register on wallawallaafterschool.com. Let's get it, let's go.